Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make your time bolder on the lock screen of your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, we'll have to get to the lock screen of our phone. So you can simply just lock your phone or scroll down from the top left corner of your phone, just like this. And here you can see we're now on the lock screen. So in order to make this time bolder, you'll have to long press on your lock screen, and then you can get the option of customize, tap on it, and then tap on your lock screen. So after doing that, we're going to now tap on our time just like this. And after doing that, here you can see these are all the font and color that you can choose. And this is the adjustment bar that you can see right here. If you swipe this up like this, here you can see now our time is getting bolder. And if you swipe down, you can see it is getting thinner. And if I get to the maximum, you can see this is the maximum boldness that your time can go. And if you're satisfied with the boldness that you want, just like this, I'm satisfied with this. I'm going to now tap on this cross button right here. And when you're done with it, tap on done option on the top right corner right here. Now that you're all done, you can again tap on your lock screen just like this, and you're all set. Now you can unlock your phone. And again, if you try to lock your phone, you can see your time has gotten bolder. And just like this, you can make your time bolder on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.